And there's fish that are coming right up to the boat because there's bread. And see how they dash at that? That's amazing. I'm hungry. They know exactly when feeding time is. Look at that. And the pelicans are waiting to get them. The pelicans are waiting to eat too. Like, come on, jump over here. Jump this way.
That's one.
That's one.
There it is.
Man. Wow, look at that guy.